friends, I'm here to brief you about what's our latest thoughts on our product mispriced opportunity. Let me just give you our understanding. So what is MPO? Here we give 10 to 12 high quality fundamentally researched names which have the potential to deliver 25 to 50% in 6 to 12 months. I have highlighted many words here. High quality, fundamentally researched, potential to deliver 25 to 50% in 6 to 12 months. All of these is in totality makes that stock attractive. Alright, this is point number one. Friends, the point number two I want to make is under this program or this product, we ask our clients or investors to invest only 8 to 10% of their allocation. The point I'm making is even if we are making 10% into stocks, it's only 20%. The balance 80% cash stroke liquid we still have on the sidelines. The clients still have on the sidelines to invest in the future opportunities that will come in the next few months. So even if the first two stocks are taking time, we still have other recommendations. So no need to get panic or restless, right? Third, please don't judge the merit of this product just based on 1 or 2 or 3 recommendations. And I'll tell you why. See, some stocks will give between 0 to 20% return. Some stocks will give 20 to 40% return. Some stocks will give 40 to 60% return. Right? Similarly, some stocks will take 2 to 3 months to reach their fair price. Some will take 4 to 6 months, and some will take 7 to 12 months. Right? It's not that one stock took 45 days to reach its fair price, which was 40% upside. Everything will follow the same pattern. It doesn't work like that. So net, my request is to look at a portfolio approach when we are evaluating the opportunities that we have presented under this. Just to share some examples, right? About a year back, more than a year back, when we launched this product, and we launched it after a lot of back testing and iterations, an example, Emami comes to my mind, which we had given at a price of about 300, 310. Imagine the price of 300, 310 went down to as low as 140, 150 in the month of March, in the month of March, April and May. Did we kind of panic and say, just book losses and move out? No, we believed that the stock had potential. The events that we envisaged would play out were just taking time, and we stayed put. Ultimately, from 150 rupees in the bottom of April, it bounced back as much as 360, 370 rupees in the month of August last year. And this is the time when we recommended our investors to exit. So it took about 8 months. It tested the patience, but we finally exited at a good 15-20% profit. This is an extreme case of where patience gets tested, but ultimately we get the rewards. Endurance, again, an example. 2.5 months is all it took to achieve a fair price of 40% return. Will all stocks follow the same pattern? Maybe, maybe not, right? The other thing I want to highlight is only 1 out of 12 stocks, in fact 15 by now, that we have recommended under this product has been exited at a loss, and even that is only 13%. Rest everything is in the money, and we have made reasonably good profits, anywhere between 20 to 30 to 40 to, and the recent apparel fashion company, we already at about 40% plus profits, and we see more coming. So to conclude, the markets are volatile, the situation is dynamic on the ground, the corona cases are rising, there are fears related to lockdown. Amidst all of this, stocks tend to react, markets tend to be volatile. Does it mean we would panic and book a loss? No. Imagine if somebody had done that exactly a year back in the month of March or April or May, and tried to book a loss and with the intention of buying it back at a lower price, but it just didn't happen. It doesn't work that way, right? To get that entry right, where you're buying at the top and where you're selling at the top and buying at the bottom. So net our simple advice to our esteemed clients is, please stay reassured that we're doing everything we can to give you quality names which will over a period of time deliver the intended returns. And please take a portfolio approach. Let's not compare stock A's return and the duration it took with all other stocks that come. I hope I was able to address most of your queries. See you again. Till then, goodbye.